We have just arrived here in Beccles to deliver Barry Pendleton his new 1978 Triumph Spitfire, and I can see he's very excited because he is waiting at the end of his driveway. Let's give him his new car. But this is not the first time that I've met you, Barry.
No, it is not.
Because last year you won our Daihatsu Copen.
I did.
You must be ecstatic.
It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. They do Bridge Classics, absolutely brilliant job. It's just got this concept of doing a raffle for cars is absolutely brilliant. And the cars, I said to you before we went on the camera, oh no, you open the email, you go, oh no, not another good car, another good car. Great idea. And if you win, it's proof is in the pudding. You buy the tickets, you win. I've won twice. I mean, how lucky is that? Won twice, 2 cars. I can't complain, can I?
You are extremely lucky,
yes.
And I'm sure there's lots of people that are going to be watching this are going to be extremely jealous of you, Barry.
Right,
so I'm not going to make you wait any longer.
Good.
Shall we go and have a look?
Let's go.
So here we go, Barry.
Oh, that was beautiful, isn't it?
Here's your 1978 Triumph
lovely.
Spitfire.
Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Isn't that lovely?
A bit different to the Copen, isn't it?
It's lovely. It is beautiful. What a... Yeah. Let's get
it off the trailer now. Come on, let's get it off the trailer.
Yeah.
Tony? Who's Tony? Tony, work your magic. Well, there we go. So Barry, what would you say to someone who hasn't entered our competitions yet but has seen us online and we're kind of unsure whether to do it or not?
Proof is in the pudding. Go for it. Go for it.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you coming on camera as well.
Yeah, thanks for the Bridge Classics. Brilliant.
No worries at all. Thank you, Barry.
Thanks.
And there we have it, another very, very happy winner. And this man is extremely lucky, winning 2 cars. You could win a car too, just like Barry. All you have to do is go onto the Bridge Classic Cars competitions website and check out the cars we've got. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you all very soon.